DR400S lightweight drone countermeasure device is equipped with highly integrated microwave circuit and compact small antenna. Long battery life. Independent R&D. Lightweight design. One-button triggering. Small size, lightweight, easy to carry. The device consists of a host, a spare lithium battery, a strap, and a set of chargers. Humanized design supports multiple carrying methods, handheld, waist-slung, and carried on back. The device has low power consumption design, rechargeable lithium battery and strong battery life. It covers 4 key countermeasure frequency bands within 1550 MHz to 5900 MHz. The countermeasure distance is up to 1000 meters. Press the power button, point at the drone, and press the countermeasure button. Quickly force the unauthorized drone to return. This device is suitable for public security, armed police, troops, military, important economic sites, large-scale activities, etc.